In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow in ManyChat. For those who may not be familiar, ManyChat is a powerful tool for building chatbots, connecting with your audience, and automating conversations in a streamlined way. By setting up flows, you can guide users through conversations, providing them information or collecting data as they interact with your bot. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. To start, make sure you're logged into your ManyChat account. Once you're on your dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Home tab. Think of the Home tab as your central hub where you can access all the features ManyChat offers. From here, you'll be able to manage your automation processes effectively. Next, head over to the Automation section. Automation is the heart of ManyChat, where you can create sequences and flows that automate how your bot interacts with users. Once you click on Automation, you're presented with the option to craft new automations or edit existing ones. Now let's create something new by clicking on New Automation. This is where you'll design the interactive experience your users will go through. You'll be prompted to choose between using a pre-built template or starting from scratch. If you're just getting started, I recommend exploring the available templates as they provide a solid foundation. However, if you've got a clear vision, you might want to start from scratch to tailor everything to your specific needs. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to set up your chosen template. Click on Set Up Template to begin customizing. Here you can modify messages, add actions, and set conditions to ensure that your flow aligns perfectly with your communication goals. This setup allows you to fine-tune how users move through your flow based on their interactions. After you've made all your customizations and you're satisfied with your flow, the final step is to put it live. Click on Set Live, which activates the flow and lets your bot start using it with real users. Remember, you can always come back and adjust things if needed to refine the user experience. Lastly, let's take a moment to explain the page you're working on. This is essentially your workspace in ManyChat. Here, you have the freedom to integrate multimedia content, set logic, and create interactive pathways all designed to provide value to your audience or to gather key information easily. And there you have it. You've just set up a flow in ManyChat. Always test your flows to make sure they work as expected and provide a seamless experience for users. With more practice, you'll become more efficient and creative in designing chatbot interactions. Thanks for watching and happy automating!